This is what a hydra looks like under the microscope. They are believed to be related to jellyfish. They are slow-moving creatures. And the most interesting thing about this creature is its tentacles. Each tentacle is riddled with these tiny, poisonous darts. You'll see it in the footage shown here. The darts will fire out of the hydra and inject neurotoxins into nearby prey. This is how the hydra will consume its food. And unfortunately for this microorganism, it has fallen into the trap of the hydra. This tiny worm will be squeezed in between two air bubbles. Both a bubble pushing it forward from the top and a bubble coming from the bottom are present. Here there is no way out. What will become of the worm? Actually, though, the worm won't suffer anything despite the severe compression. The worm was able to leave when the ear bubbles were removed since they are quite flexible, but it didn't enjoy the location. Additionally, it is attempting to flee to the side of this difficult situation. This here is a ciliate, and it's a single-celled protist, but it's got a quite unusual color in the sense that it's green. Normally, ciliates are not green, but in this case, these are green algae living inside the host cell. This is called endosymbiosis because the algae produce nutrients for the host cell through photosynthesis. And also, the host cell itself provides protection and nutrients for the algae. Aquatic snails lay their eggs in a gelatinous mass that can accommodate hundreds of the little wiggling creatures as their bodies and shells develop. These egg sacs may be found on plants, floating in water, or even on an aquarium's wall, depending on the species. I'm going to show you Euglena, a single-celled organism today. Trachylamonas is the genus to which it belongs under a microscope. Furthermore, deeper stagnant waters are where I consistently find these sorts of Euglena. As you can see, there are numerous varieties of euglenoids spread out across the slide in this gloomy field. Typically, freshwater environments with higher acidity or neutrality are home to Trachylamonas. That explains why I seem to always be in these dirtier environments. This genus, which belongs to the linoid family, is distinguished by the existence of an outer shell known as a lorica. The genus's taxonomy for some species is further aided by the details and organization of the Lauritzia. These are two interesting facts about water crustaceans. Fact number 1. They are not insects as the name already states. They are crustaceans, which means that they are related to crabs. They're tiny crabs. Fact number 2. They have a very high ability to reproduce quickly, so some females are able to produce around 10 offspring per day.